Yes. Hello. Hello, sound check. Hey. Hello mga bossing, good evening. Welcome po dito sa Wilfredo's. Kamusta po kayo mga bossing? Enjoy lang kayo dyan ha. Mamaya po, makikanta po kayo sa akin. Then open mic po tayo. Extra nyo lang po ako. And then later may makikijam din mamaya. Sige, kantahan ko muna kayo ng bang kanta. Soft song lang muna. Wala tayong live. Hey. Wala yung echo, boss. Hey. Wala palang echo to. Hey. Wala echo, no? Practice lang. You can, 'cause I don't love you in the same way now. I can hold you, but not with lovers' arms, 'cause you are more a brother to me now, and I can't lie next to you, but I can't lie to you. So walk into the sun and watch me run through the rain. For you the future's easy, so don't wait. For me it's getting stale. I love you for exactly who you are, and I stay. You've come the nearest yet by far, and I can lie next to you, but I can't lie to you. So walk into the sun and watch me run into the rain. For you the future's easy, so don't be, it's getting steeper, and in the dark's right where I want to be deeper. I'm going somewhere you won't want to see. po sa mga pumapakil ng bossing. Bossing ha, huwag kayo mahiya, kumanta kayo mamaya ha. Sulitin niyo yung gabi niyo dahil hanggang bukas na lang po. Oo, dahil Hollywood. Oo, dahil Hollywood tayo. Kaya kailangan sulitin niyo na.
Bukas sa lahat.
Wala tayong ibang gagawin kundi magkantahan mamaya. Teka lang. Soft talaga yung kanta. Teka.
Yung araw, makakanta yung master.
Umulit.
Ikaw ako, alas 4 ng garil doon eh. Balik. Hindi na spaghetti. Pati 6:30. What? Era, MRT dati. Nakapipila ka tamaan, dahil dito po, MRT. Nakapipila mo, pumila ka po, Diyos ko. Mabuta na nga rin kaya.
Sige nga, try ko nga. Kaso ito ay Christian song.
Kasi pa nga,
Try ko nga.
oo. Pumila ka po, oo.
Try ko lang.
Mas kasyap-syap.
Hello sa ating mga online live viewers. Good evening. In your oceans rise and there's more. I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are the abundant land. I will be still, though you
Oy, di kita malilimutan daw. Request. Ha? Ha? Di mo pindot? Ano ba?
iPhone 16 Pro.
Oy, hindi kita malilimutan daw. Request.
Wala ko ng tanong.
Ha?
Wala ko ng tanong. Ang hirap na yung hindi ako.
Ha? Di mo pindot?
Kasi dito ba't nagpunta sa Apple?
Ano ba?
iPhone 16 Pro. The year ng baby. Tapos siya magpunta.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? Hello, hello. Thank you for...
Hello,
is it me you're looking for? Hello, hello. Thank you for...
Ito. Hello mga viewers natin dyan. Kamusta po kayo?
Wala pa. Yung na yung streaming.
Hello po, welcome po sa mga bagong dating. Kina boss and madam.
Ay, nakawin lang.
Mga bossing nga, alam ko favorite nyo ito makakarelate kayo dito.
Basta yung alam mo.
Okay. Ay! Kala ko ayan na.
Tuloy po kayo, te.
Para sa inyo po. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you.
Ay, mamaya po mag-gabi kayo.
We've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything witness. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I'd stay right here with you through the years.
Unti lang. Love you, Uncle.
I can't remember what I used to do, who I trust to do. I've listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. you so much. Kaya tawagin ko na yung next performer natin. Yung kasama ko daw, ayan, si Miss Joy.
Thank you po. Uy, thank you po sa mga bisita. May mga bisita na po tayo tonight. Wala naman po akong sasabihin. Magsisi na po kayo. Joke lang. Shoutout pala kay hindi mauuto. Nauuto ko na naman eh.
Itong bato namin eh. Bato namin.
Oy sir, mag-jam na po kayo ah.
Kaya kami na pamunta rito, dahil
Sit-up mo para
Parang teka lang, parang Ayan po. Marami pong salamat sa mga na-appreciate ng aura ko. Tsaka bakit parang o nga pala, kaya mababa yung yung camera kay pala. Dahil kay meow meow meow. Shout out kay Shade. Pumalma ka. Sherry Dumlaw. Madam Elena Marie, note ka na. Andito na ako. Madam. Bawal po ng echo. Thank you, Irene. I love you. Ito po yung first song ko. Location po, Pateros, Metro Manila. Punta na po kayo. Sakura. Hello.
Minsan nadarama mo kaibigan ng problema. Minsan mahihirapan ka at masasabi di ko na kaya. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakaling may masumbahan, o di kaya ako'y tawagin. Malalaman mo kahit kailan hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundong walang katira, hawak kamay.
Babe! Wala! Wala. Wait lang guys ha. Viewers, wait lang. Wala.
lobat.
Jump kayo sa
Lobat. Lobat.
Babe, pakiyo yung camera mo. Bigla na wala yun.
Bukan tayo Skypex.
Wala.
Okay, Skypex.